In this video, we're going to take you through a lot of routine maintenance that you might need to perform on your machine to keep it in its best working order. We'll start with the easiest and the simplest, which is just to dust it from time to time. To do that, you're going to want to take a clean cloth and pass it over the work surface like so, and take special care to try and cover the Teflon and the welding bar where it makes contact with the covers. You may notice that plastic gets stuck to the welding bar over time, and dusting can help remove that. If it's still stuck and you're having trouble, you can even take a screwdriver, remove the bar like so, and clean it. Then you can reinstall it. For steps on how to replace the welding bar, go to our website and find the video tutorial. You can also find our online store where you can purchase a replacement welding bar if it's time to replace your welding bar. Note that after you replace your welding bar, the cut count on your machine won't reset. So keep track of when you replace your bar so you know when it's been 5,000 cuts and it's time to replace it again. In order to help you out with this, the machine has error 501. Error 501 is triggered every 5,000 cuts, so it'll appear at 5,000, 10,000, etc. It doesn't actually affect the performance of the machine, and it goes away after 50 cuts. Its only purpose is to signal you that it should be around the time to replace your welding bar. Lastly, you'll need to regularly clean your rubber roller on your machine. The rubber roller is the black cylinder on the underside of the machine that pulls away the excess material after your machine has performed its weld. So, keeping your rubber roller clean is important to make sure that you get clean and consistent cuts. If you are having trouble getting clean and consistent cuts, we have a troubleshooting video that can help indicate whether it may be the rubber roller that's the problem. We also have a tutorial on our website on how to clean the rubber roller step by step.